Hi, I'm Marlisa Seidel. Welcome to 12 Thomas Grove, Bridgewater. Come with me, let's have a look. This unique Adelaide Hills home was built in around 1983. It's on just over 1,100 square metres, right in the heart of Bridgewater, near to schools, shops, and around 20 to 25 minutes to the city. It has fabulous high rake ceilings, a brand new kitchen, and a luxurious new renovated bathroom. It also has a separate studio which could be a third bedroom, and there's plenty of room underneath the house to further extend if you wanted to. The house would probably suit a young couple, first home buyer, or someone that is living on their own. It's got a lovely balcony, and that would be perfect for entertaining and having breakfast with the birds on the balcony. If you're wanting any more information on this fabulous Hills property, give me a call or check the website for more details.